Yeah, I'm going on my first ever tilt roller coaster. Yeah, and it's the tallest one in the world. Right, so the ride hasn't opened today, and I'm being escorted. There's people outside waiting, bless them. And yeah, it's okay, guys. I'll go on first. I'll test it out for you. Onwards we go. Here we go. Oh my, oh no, oh no. What am I doing? What am I doing? I'm all alone. Oh, what do you think? Oh wait, there's nobody else on me. Oh, I've never done a tilt roller coaster before. Oh no. Oh, Vekoma. I know it's going to be so smooth. I know it's going to be like the smoothest ride I've ever done. It's going to be amazing. And I talk so much when I'm nervous, and there's nobody next to me to speak to. Oh wait, is everybody okay at the back? Oh wait, there's nobody in the back. Oh, it's gonna tilt. It's gonna tilt. I know it. Oh. Oh, that is absolutely terrifying. Right. Okay. Oh my, oh no. Just let me go. Let me go. Ah! That was horrible. Oh, it's so smooth. Oh. Great, that was so good. That was so good. What a beautiful train design as well. That was I Am Rattler, Six Flags Cardiff City, and it was amazing.